Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a featured channel to your YouTube account. This will allow some sort of cross promotion with you and either another channel of your choosing if you want to advertise other people's channels on yours, or if you have a friend that has a similar type of channel as yours, then you can cross promote and then ask that person to cross promote for you, and that'll just allow their channel to show up on your channel, and that will allow more traffic to come to your channel as well as traffic to go to their channel. So the easiest way to do this is just go to your channel, either by going to my channel, depending on which screen you're on. Just go to my channel. Go to the customize your channel. Go to the about, and you should actually see some featured channels on the right hand side. Just click on that edit module, and it will bring up the screen. So I actually have a friend that has a channel that I'm going to add here. So go to their channel or the channel that you like, click on their name. In this case, it's Ace. I'm going to grab their channel from the URL at the top here, and I am going to go back to featured channels, and I'm going to enter in their channel. Go ahead and add that channel. You'll now notice that channel has become a featured channel, and you'll now notice you have a featured channel. So if you go to your home page, you'll notice you now have a featured channel. So again, this is just a way to help promote other people's channels, friends, or just channels that you like, and they could do the same for you. So hope you found that useful. If you did, hit the like button, comment and subscribe, and just let me know if you have any questions around that, or you having difficulty in adding a featured channel to your channel. Thanks for watching.